Okay.
Hey everybody, happy January 12th. As you know, it's Friday, but did you know it's Red Shirt Friday here at Desert Wind Harley, who every Friday they want to honor our troops by supporting Red Shirt Friday. So this Friday, if you come into Desert Wind Harley, wear something red, you will get a free MAM Patch. So please take a couple minutes, throw on something red, support the troops, and come on in.
Tell me about MAM.
Military Assistance Mission is a local nonprofit that provides services to Arizona currently enlisted service members and their families. We also support Purple Heart recipients and have a lot of different programs that help people with, or help service members with rent, food, utilities, and we have morale events for the dependents of military people. So thank you for your support. No, I didn't say I was talking. Well, who said I was talking? Damn it. Okay.
So,
Were you supposed to do that before you started?
so 12th and get one of these cool free MAM patches. MAM patches.
MAM patches for mams and mans. For free. Mams or mans.
Okay. Wow. That was really good.
That was brilliant.
Ride with the wind. Desert Wind, Harley-Davidson.